Microphone. Okay, we are live, guys. Hello, hello. Is Sylvie here today? I'm alone. And he's not here, he's on the vacations. So I'm gonna be doing this by myself. And as sorry for the delay, I had a little bit technical problems. But I'm not gonna be taking too much of your time, and we're gonna start with today's training. Okay, so let me just share my screen, which is here. And today training is going to be about Web3 community building and the power of unity. Okay, so once again, hello everyone, and welcome to today's live stream. Let me just make sure you guys see the screen. You can see the presentation. Okay, so I want to thank you for turning in and taking the time to join me today. Through this stream, I encourage you to engage with me, guys. Please leave some comments, ask questions, and share your thoughts. Let's create like a sense of community, and let's make the stream interactive. Okay. So today we will discuss the importance of community engagement in building successful Web3 projects, the power of unity in the decentralized web. I hope that by the end of it, we will all have learned something new, been entertained, or simply connect with each other. So without further ado, let's get started, and thank you again for joining me. Uh, okay, so let's start by defining what we mean by Web3 community. A Web3 community is a group of individuals who share a common interest in decentralized technologies and the principles of Web3. Members of those communities are typically committed to principles of decentralization, privacy, and individual empowerment. Now, let's talk about the importance of community engagement in building successful Web3 projects. Community engagement is critical to build trust, gathering feedback, and fostering a sense of ownership among users. One key way to engage with community is through regular communication. You can use a variety of channels such as social media, forums, newsletters, or direct messaging to keep a communication with your community and to keep your community up to date on the project developments, answer questions, and gather feedback. Another way to engage with your community is through events such as webinars, meetups, or live calls. Those events can help you to connect with users, showcase your project capabilities, and foster collaboration and innovation. Collaborations is also important aspects of community engagement. Encouraging collaboration among community members can help to build engagement and a sense of ownership, as I said before. You can facilitate the collaboration by creating spaces where users can share ideas, collaborate, or development, or to contribute it to content creations. Uh, Incentives can also help to boost the engagement with your project. Providing incentives such as tokens or access to exclusive content or features or other rewards can help to incentivize engagement with your project. Make sure that the incentives align with your project values and goals, and they are not perceived as bribes. Feedback is also essential to build engagement. Actively soliciting and responding to community feedback can help you build trust and improve your project. Could you make sure to listen to your community and incorporate those feedbacks into development roadmap wherever is possible? Okay, so we are talking about like two sides. Okay, so the side of the project, how the project can build a community, and how can the project help the community to actually build project as well. Okay, so there are many ways that the people in Web3 community can contribute to project success. Here are some examples. So spread the word. Help to promote the project if you are involved in the project, if you are involved in this community, because sharing with this project with your friends and followers on social media can help to increase awareness and attract new users and contributors to this project. Provide feedback Provide constructive feedback on the project development, features, and user experience. This can help the project team to identify areas of improvement and make the project better. Also, test the products, participate in beta testing, and provide feedback on the project functionality and usability. This can help the project team to identify bugs and improve the user experience. Contribute code. If you have like a programming skills, you can contribute code to the project development. This can help to spread the development and improve the quality of the project. Create content. If you have skills in writing, designing, or video producing, you can create content to promote the project. This could include like blog posts, social media graphics, or videos or explainer videos. Also participating in community events like meetups, hackathons, or other online discussions. It can help you to connect with other community members and learn more about the project. Provide support. Help to provide support to other community members by answering questions and providing guidance. This can help to create a positive and supportive community environment. So if somebody like join the group, like for example our group on Telegram and asking questions, help those people, help them, help answer those questions for them, and let's keep it like positive and helping environment. The power of Web3 lies in its ability to create communities around shared values and interests. Those communities can drive social change and reshape the world. This is a quote by Camilla Rousseau, the author of Infinite Machine. Finally, let's talk about the power of unity in Web3 versus Web2. So in Web2, the internet is largely controlled by the centralized entities such as tech giants, the social media platform, and search engines. Users are largely dependent on those entities to access and interact with content online. In contrast, Web3 is built on decentralized technologies such as blockchain, which enable individuals to interact with each other and with the digital assets without the need of intermediates. This decentralization empowers users to foster collaboration and community building. One of the key benefits of Unity in Web3 is ability to create decentralized networks and platforms that are resistant to censorship and control. Because those networks are built on distributed peer-to-peer infrastructure, the centralized network and platform can provide a way for people to communicate and share information freely without fear of censorship. So, some examples of great communities. The Bitcoin community has a strong focus on education and advocacy. Many members of the community are passionate about spreading awareness and understanding of Bitcoin, its beneficial potential, and how it works. This has led to creation of numerous educational resources such as blogs, podcasts, and online courses, as well as advocacy groups that work to promote Bitcoin and its adoption. Some figures in the Bitcoin community include, of course, Satoshi Nakamoto, which is the pseudonym used of the creator of Bitcoin, Andreas Antopoulos, a Bitcoin advocate and author, and also Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy. This company is invest heavily in Bitcoin. There is many other people, okay, like for example the president of El Salvador, who make the Bitcoin the official currency of El Salvador. Uh, Other people, many people that for sure everyone right now everyone knows the people who are advocates for Bitcoin. Also, a great example of successful work Web3 community is the Ethereum community. Ethereum community is a vibrant group of developers, investors, and enthusiasts who are committed to advancing the principles of decentralized computing. The Ethereum community has contributed to the development of countless decentralized applications and protocols and has built a strong reputation for collaboration and innovation. Uh, Here are some tips for building and engaging with your Web3 community. So, projects, be transparent. Transparency is the key to build trust with your community. Make sure to communicate openly about your project progress, goals, and challenges. Foster collaborations. Collaboration is essential to build a strong community. Encourage the collaboration between members by hosting virtual meetups and live streams and other events. Create engaging content. To keep your community engaged, create high quality content that is relevant to the interest. This could include blog posts, videos, or podcasts. Reward your community. Reward them for their contributions to your project. This could include, like for example, tokens or access to exclusive content or other incentives. Stay active on social media. Social media platforms are like the social media platform you use. They must be relevant to your community. This will help you to stay connected with your community and promote your project. Listen to feedback from your community and incorporate it into your project development. This will help you to create a project that meets the needs of your community. Be inclusive. Ensure that community is inclusive and welcoming to all members, regardless of their background or experience. And stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in Web3. This will help you to anticipate changes and stay ahead of the curve. By following those steps, you can build a strong and engaged Web3 community that will help to advance the principles and advance the peer-to-peer infrastructure. Um, in conclusion, community building and unity are essential components of the success of Web3 project. By creating a strong and engaged community, uh, projects can tap into wealth of knowledge and skills and resources that can help to accelerate development, increase adoption, and drive innovations. Furthermore, the decentralized nature of Web3 platforms means that community members have more power and influence over the directions of the project that is not like in traditional Web 2 models. This provides an opportunity for greater collaboration, transparency, and inclusivity, which can lead to more resilience and sustainable networks and platforms. By fostering a culture of collaboration, trust, and shared value, Web3 communities can overcome many of the challenges that have plagued traditional Web 2.0 models, such as censorship, control, and centralization. This can lead to a more uh, equitable and decentralized internet that empowers individuals and communities to take control of their own data, identity, and digital assets. Overall, the power of community and unity in Web3 lies in its ability to create networks and platforms that are truly decentralized, democratic, and resilient. By working together and leveraging the strength of the diverse members, Web3 communities can build a brighter future for the internet and for society as a whole. Uh, I will leave in the comments the additional resources that you guys can check it out if you are interested in this topic of the community building, um, which it include like Ethereum Community Fund guidelines for building strong Ethereum communities, which can be used for building other communities. The Discord community building guide, on Reddit how to build a successful online communities, and also Google Design Spirit methodology, a guide of for building communities. And thank you for joining this live stream. Uh, it is a quick training. Today is Saturday, so I don't want to get you guys a lot of your time. I will be doing the giveaways, but because I don't have help, so I didn't get the names. When we finish the stream, I will finish in just a minute, and I will take all the names from the post, mainly from the Twitter post that is tagged to our Twitter. Right there on the top, there is a post that I encourage you guys to share it, to actually share. Let's get spread the word because we are going to do the event, the gamers event, and we want everyone to be involved with it. Okay, so guys, in few minutes on our Telegram group, I will post the names of the people who went to the giveaways. Okay, so if you are a winner, congratulations. You will be known in a few minutes if you are the winner, if you're the winner, okay? And I want to wish you guys a wonderful rest of your weekend, and we will see you. Uh, Let me think. Andy's gonna be back on Monday. We're gonna see you on Tuesday. I'm gonna see you on Tuesday on the metaverse. We're gonna be jumping into the metaverse, and also I would love you guys to comment here and let me know what did you thought about this training. This topic was actually requested by Recon on our Telegram group. So that's why I prepared this today's training. But guys, let me know what is the topics that you would like to learn. What is that you want to learn? So let me know, and next Saturday, who knows? Maybe it's gonna be your topic, the topic of of the Saturday's training. Okay. So thank you very much, and we will see you soon. Okay. Bye bye.